Just every time you ever see one, somebody's, oh, it's a Traxxas. They seem to love them, you know.
I got HPI in the car, HPI Firestorm.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
only 2-wheel drive, but that is fast. That'll do 70 mile an hour, believe it or not, with the right batteries in it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's got the 4S in that one. The big battery I put in. But you could put what you want in them, really. The smaller the battery, the slower it goes. I usually run on 3S.
Yeah.
That's 5,500 milliamp. That's fast enough as well. But we go bashing that. We go on the BMX tracks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I live in Bristol. We go to Wick.
Yeah.
Which is just do you know
Yeah,
Wick?
I know Wick. Gold Valley?
Yeah. Well, there's a BMX track down, a big park, and we bash
I
out
know
there.
the one,
About 8 of us go down there. Oh, it's real good fun.
So what are you doing out here then?
Well, she wanted to come down shopping. I'd done a few alterations with that one. I thought, well, I just will wang him around the park, just make sure he's all right, like, you know. So we'll just come back and
Right.
yeah, this will go well.
I buy all cheap stuff in charity shops. And,
You? Sometimes they pick up some different straps to go on it because these don't go round it.
are they oil-filled shocks?
Yeah. They could do with doing again, to tell you the truth. But that's it, isn't it? Well, that Castle motor, that is unbelievably fast, quick.
Yeah. And that little thing I picked up in a charity shop still got, you know, it's got toy motors in it. I burnt them out twice.
Oh, God.
Just don't lose your...
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, it goes quite well, really. And that, do you know what, that battery been in there for, I've been on the park now since about 1:45.
Yeah.
Thrashing around, it's still going. Unbelievable.
That's a big battery though, isn't it?
It is a big battery. And I bought that on eBay second hand.
That's taking a risk, isn't it?
Oh. Something like
half
that
the time you
costs
buy...
about 60 odd quid.
Oh, so yeah, half the time you buy them new on eBay and they're rubbish.
Well, that one, I seen it on there and I thought, I'll have a go for that. And I bought him for 12 quid.
Well, that's a bargain, isn't it?
Well, you take a, you know, for that money you ain't gonna worry, are you? You sort of take a chance. But I have bought new ones, a couple of new tags, new ones. But all I had to do was change that end.
Yeah.
Because you had the bullet connectors on, so I changed that yesterday. What do you size that bad boy? 5,000.
Yeah.
Hard
It's
case.
solid as well, yeah.
Hard
It's
case back.
yeah.
Where these are soft case now.
Yeah. Oh, so you fine for a car or a boat, but you don't want to stick it on your aeroplane.
Here's another hard case, but that's only a 2S. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2S.
That's a fan on your ESC. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got like that.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Don't you have anything in the door?
Alright.
You had permission to stay a bit longer, did you? There.
Yeah, it goes quite well.
Do you put? So do you put stuff on YouTube then when you do your racing and that?
Yeah, it's under Badger Dre. You have a look on
Badger
there.
Dre. Yeah.
And you'll see us all out at Wick in different places. We go all over the place, really.
So I've followed quite a few guys who do the model aeroplanes.
Yeah.
Several of them, because it's been bad weather, they've been doing their cars instead.
Well, I got a drone as well. I fly drones. I got a DJI Phantom, and I lost a bit of interest in that now. I'd rather do this because you know, you've got the conditions got to be right to fly and all this, like, you know. I know the DJI do fly in sort of really bit windy weather, but it's harder to control.
They're going to make it more difficult anyway with the regulations and that.
Yeah, that's right. Do your head in, doesn't it? I fly over our loop at Asda in Whitchurch.
Oh yeah, yeah.
In the back of the Asda, there's a field, big tump, trees, lovely. Fly over there.
So a couple of the guys that I follow, I think they, well, one of them, Heady 2008 on YouTube, that is. He usually flies out of Maze Knoll.
Yeah.
Up on the hills there.
Yeah,
Because he does sort of slope soaring.
Yeah.
And then he goes all the way down to Sand Bay, down at Leicester.
Oh right, yeah. We go.
But I say recently, because it's been bad weather, he's been doing his car along by the River Avon.
Right.
You know the link road or the ring road,
Yeah.
where that goes across the river. You actually
Yeah.
down by the river there. There's
Yeah.
actually some nice stony
Is it?
access and that,
Right.
and he's been doing quite a bit there.
We always look for different places where we could go, like, you know.
Well, there's a pub you can. Oh, what's the name of the pub? I don't know. There's a pub you can park on at the top, and then you can walk down the back. And he's been going down there and doing it at quite a few places. But that's, I mean, I don't know if he's been doing it for long.
No.
I mean, it's not a new car to him, but
No.
he's
But,
talking about it being sort of not the mud plugging or whatever. But he's not doing it slow. You know, you see guys who do it normally when they're doing that
Yeah.
sort of stuff, and they're doing it really slow and going up and over and
Yeah.
that. Whereas he's doing it a bit faster than that. So he's obviously more
Oh, yeah.
halfway to this.
Yeah.
Although
All
he's,
you do is just take off and blip it, and that keeps it. Because if you don't, it'll either go that way or that
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
So if you blip,
I say I'll do that, then I'll hit something with it. Well, thanks for that.
thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.